Hi friends, welcome you all to Think Max. We are in class 11 Max, chapter 8, sequences and series. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 8.2. In this exercise, there are 30 problems. In this session, we are going to discuss 1 to 10 problems. So, we are going to discuss question numbers 1 up to question number 10 in this session. Okay. So first question, find the 20th and nth terms of the GP. So this exercise deals with geometric progression. Nth terms of the GP, 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, etc. Okay. So we know the nth term of GP, AN, its formula is A into R to the power N minus 1. So here A, this A is nothing but first term. A is first term and R is the ratio and N is the number of terms. Okay, so this is the GP formula. Now here A is the first term, so A is equal to 5 by 2. What about R? R is the ratio, that is ratio is nothing but second term divided by first term. R is second term divided by first term. So what is the second term? Second term is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 divided by what is the first term? It is 5 by 2. So which is equal to, keep the numerator as such. What about the denominator? In denominator we have 5 by 2. If I take this to the product, it will change to 2 by 5. So 5 gets cancelled and 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 1 by 2. So that is R is equal to 1 by 2. So we got A and R. Then we can find out the nth term and 20th term. First we will find the nth term. So AN. AN is A into R to the power N minus 1. So what is A? A is the first term which is 5 by 2 and R is 1 by 2 to the power N minus 1. Okay. So this 1 by 2 into this can be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power N into 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 1. Okay. This 5 by 2 can also be written as 5 into 1 by 2. Okay. Into 1 by 2 whole to the power N into 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 1. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 to the power N. So this, if the base is, so that is in powers, a power x into a power y. The base is same. Who is the base here? It is a. The base is same. We can add the powers when you have product. Okay. When it is division, you have to subtract. When it is in product, we can add. So if you add this, gets cancelled. 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So it is 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the power n. What about this one? 1 by 2 whole to the power. We can add this 1 minus 1. So it gets cancelled. So it is 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So the answer is 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the power n. So this is the general term. Now we have to find out the 20th term, A 20. We found the general term. Instead of n, we have to substitute 20. So 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the power 20. So you can write as 5 by 2 power 20. So this is the value of A20. That is 20th term is 5 divided by 2 power 20. Clear children? So shall we move on to the second question? Second question says, find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. Okay. So they gave the 8th term and they gave the common ratio. We have to find out the 12th term. So let me start the solution. What is given? 8th term is given. A8 equal to 192 and common ratio, that is R, equal to 2. Now we know the general term of one GP is AN equal to A R to the power N minus 1. So they gave A8 is equal to 192. So this is given. So in this formula, if we substitute n is equal to 8, then we will get a r to the power 8 minus 1 equal to 192. So a, what is r? R is 2. So 2 power 8 minus 1 is 7 equal to 192. Now we have to find a from this equation. So to find a, let us write 192 in 2 power something. Okay. So let us factorize this. 192 dividing by 2. So it is 9 2s are 18, balance 1, 6 2s are 12. So 2, 4 2s are 8, balance 1, 8 2s are 16, 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6 are 2, 3. So how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write this 192 as 2 power 6 into 3. Here you have a into 2 power 7. So a will be equal to, on the right side we have 2 power 6 into 3. This 2 power 7 will come down. Okay. As it is in product, when you change the side, it will come to division. So now you have 3 here. The power 2 is the same base. If you check the powers, this 7 is bigger than 6. So we can bring this 6 down. So it will be 2 power 7. As it is in division, we have to subtract. So it will be equal to 3 divided by 2 power 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. So it is 2. So a is equal to 3 by 2. So we got a is equal to 3 by 2 and r is given, which is 2. So we can find 12th term. So a 12 equal to, substituting in this formula, an equal to a r to the power n minus 1. So a12 equal to a r to the power 12 minus 1. So what is a? A is 3 by 2 into what is r? It is 2. 2 to the power 12 minus 1, it is 11. So 3 into 2 power, both have 2 as the base. This is nothing but 2 power 1. So if you check the power, this 11 is greater. So bring to the numerator 11. This 2 power 1. When you bring here, it will change as minus 1. Okay. As it is in division, we have to subtract. So which is equal to 3 into 2 power 10. So if you find 2 power 10, what is 2 power 10? So multiplying 2 10 times. So let us multiply 2 5 times and then we can multiply it twice. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So what is 32 into 32? 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So it is 4, 6 plus 6, 12, balance 1, 1 0 2 4. So 2 power 10 is 1 0 2 4. So if you substitute here, you will get 3 into 1024. And if we multiply, 3 4s are 12, balance 1, 3 2s are 6. And it is 7, 3 into 0, 0 into 3. So its answer is 3072. Okay, clear children? So moving on to the third question. The fifth, eighth, and 11th terms of a GP are P, Q, and S respectively. Show that Q square equal to PS. They gave the fifth term, eighth term, and 11th term. We have to get this equation from that. So what we know, the general term of GP is an equal to a r to the power n minus 1. So here a is the first term. R is the common ratio and n is the number of terms. Okay, so this is the general term of GP. They gave A5 equal to P. So that means A r to the power 5 minus 1 equal to P. That is A r to the power 4 is equal to P. So this is one equation. Next they gave eighth term. A8 equal to Q. So that means A r to the power 8 minus 1 equal to q. That means a r to the power 7 equal to q. Next they gave 11th term. A11 equal to s. That means a r to the power 11 minus 1 equal to s. That is a r to the power 10 is equal to s. Now let us name this as 2 and this is the third equation. Now we get q square. What is q square? So let us square equation 2 on both sides. Okay, because here you have q square. Let us start with q square. So if we square the second equation, q square will be equal to a r to the power 7 whole square. So it is a square. So in power, if you have power to the power, we have to multiply r power 14. Okay. Now let us separate here. This is a square. This r power 14 can be written as 10 plus 4. Okay. So now 1a will be here. R power 4 can be clubbed here. Next another a and r power 10 can be clubbed here. What is a r power 4? It is p, and a r power 10, it is s. So we proved q square equal to ps. Clear children? Simple, isn't it? Yeah. So moving on to the fourth one. The fourth term of a GP is square of its second term. And the first term is minus 3. Determine its seventh term. So, to determine the seventh term, we need the value of A and R. So, A is given here. So, we have to find R from the given term. That is, fourth term is equal to square of the second term. Let us start the solution. So this is GP. So general term of the GP is AN equal to AR to the power N minus 1. So what is given? It is given that the first term is minus 3. That is A is equal to minus 3. So this is given. And fourth term of a GP, that is A4, is square of the second term. That is A2 square. This is given. Now what is A4? A4, if you substitute in the general term, you will get A r to the power 4 minus 1, which is equal to, what is A2? A r to the power 2 minus 1 whole square. So A r 4 minus 1 is 3. A r 2 minus 1 is 1 whole square. So A r cube equal to, here A square r square. Okay. Now, if you cancel it out, so just check here, here r power 3. So go to the greatest power. So r power 3. This r square is in product. So it will come to division. So r power 3 by r square. Here a power, this power is greater. So use here a power 2. This product a will come to division here. Now what will happen? So if you calculate r power 3 divided by r power 2, if it is in division, the powers are in division, we have to subtract. So it is 3 minus 2 equal to a power 2 minus 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So a power 2 minus 1 is also 1. So r is equal to a. That means r is equal to, what is a? Minus 3. So r is also minus 3. So we got a as well as r. Now what we have to find? Seventh term. We have to find a7. So it is a r to the power 7 minus 1. So what is a? It is minus 3. R is also minus 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. So this is nothing but if you join this, it is minus 3 whole to the power 1 plus 6, it is 7. Now negative to the power odd number is negative. Okay. If it is power is even, negative to the power even is positive, negative to the power odd is negative. So minus. Now we have to find out 3 power 7. So we have to multiply 3 7 times. How many 3's are there? One more. So 3 3's are 9, 9 3's are 27, 27 threes are 81. 81 into 3, 243. And this is 9. So 243 into 9. So 3 nines are 27. 9 fours are 36 plus 2, it is 38. 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 3, it is 21. So the answer is minus 2187. Okay, children? So this is the answer for the seventh term. Clear? So moving on to the fifth question. It has three parts A, B and C. The first part, which term of the following sequences? So they gave the sequences. So which term is 128? So they gave the sequence 2, 2 root 2, 4. So this is in GP. So we have to find the value of A. So A means it is first term. First term is 2. What is R? R is nothing but second term divided by first term. What is second term? Second term is 2 root 2. First term is 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. So it is root 2. That means R is equal to 2 root 2. So which term of the sequence is 128? That is, we have to find the value of n. So for some n, the answer is 128. So we have to find the value of n. What is an? An is nothing but a r to the power n minus 1 equal to 128. What is a? A is 2. What is r? R is root 2. Root 2 whole to the power n minus 1 equal to 128. Now let us express 128 in terms of root 2. Okay. So what is 128? Let us first divide by 2. So it is 6 twos and 4 twos. So it is 32 and 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4 and 2, 2. How many twos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 2. So 128 is nothing but 2 power 7. This can also be written as root 2 power 14. Okay. So if we rise to the power 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 will become root 2. Root 2. Here if you multiply by 2, it will be 14. That is 2 power 7. This 2 can be written as root 2 to the power 2. Okay. So root 2 whole square is 2. Whole to the power 7. So root 2 to the power 2 into 7, 14. So 2 power 7 can be written as root 2 to the power 14. So in this way, on the left hand side also we have to convert this to root 2 to the power. So this is root 2 to the power 14. Here this 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. So root 2 power n minus 1. So this will become root 2 to the power. Powers, if they are in product, you can add the powers. So n minus 1 plus 2 equal to 14. Okay, that means 14 equal to n minus 1 plus 2. So let me erase this. So equating the powers on both sides, you will get, so this is not just 14, it is root 2 power 14. So as the base is same, the powers will be equal. So n minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 14. That is minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So n plus 1 is equal to 14. So n is equal to 14. This plus 1, when it goes to right side, it will become minus 1. So n is equal to 13. So this is the answer. Clear? Moving on to the B part. Here, root 3, 3, 3 root 3 is 729. That is, which term of the sequence is 729? So this is the sequence. So we have to find for GP the first term. A is root 3 and what is R? R is second term by first term. What is second term? It is 3 divided by first term is root 3. So this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So 1 root 3 gets cancelled. So it is root 3. So R is equal to root 3. So we got A and R. So So for a GP, the general term is A r to the power n minus 1. A r to the power n minus 1. For some term, it is 729. So we have to get a r to the power n minus 1 is 729. So they gave a n equal to 729. So instead of a n, we can substitute a r to the power n minus 1 equal to 729. So what is a? A is root 3 and r is also root 3 to the power n minus 1. So what is 729? So as we have root 3 here, we will divide by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 2, 8 3s are 24, 1. This is 3. So 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So 729 is nothing but 3 power 6. So this 3 can be written as root 3 whole square, whole to the power 6. So it will be root 3 whole to the power 2 6 are 12. So 729 can be written as root 3 whole to the power 12. Here is also the base is same, root 3 whole to the power. Here it is power 1. So 1 plus n minus 1 equal to root 3 to the power 12. So root 3 to the power 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. So it is power n. Here root 3 to the power 12. So as the base is same, power will be equal. So power n is equal to 12. So this is the solution for the part B. So moving on to part C. Which term of the following sequence is 1 divided by 19683? So this is a GP. So A is equal to 1 by 3. R is equal to second term divided by first term. What is the second term? It is 1 by 9. First term is 1 by 3. So keeping the numerator as such, if we bring the denominator as a product, we will get 1 by 3 as 3 by 1. So this 1 3's and 3 3's. So it is 1 by 3. R is equal to 1 by 3. So they gave an equal to some nth term is 1 divided by 19683. So what is an? It is nothing but a r to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 19683. What is a? A is 1 by 3 and r is also 1 by 3 whole to the power n minus 1. This is equal to 19683. Okay. So now both are 1 by 3. The base is same, so we can add the powers. So this 19683 can also be written as 3 power something. So let us divide. Dividing by 3. 5, 6 3s are 18, balance 1, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 1. Again by 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, 8 3s are 21, 7. 3, 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 27, again 3, 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are. So 8 3s are 24, 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So how many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 3's. So you can write it as 1 by 3 whole to the power 9. Because 1 power 9 is always 1. So here left hand side, this plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. So you will have 1 n. So 1 by 3 whole to the power 9. As the base is same, the powers will be equal. That means n is equal to 9. So ninth term will be 1 divided by 19683. So which term of the sequence is 1 divided by 19683? That means ninth term is 1 divided by 19683. Understood? Clear? So moving on to the sixth problem. For what value of x the numbers are in GP? That is, these numbers should be in GP. then their common ratio, that is the ratio should be common for both. So let us find. They gave the first term. First term is minus 2 by 7. First term is minus 2 by 7. Second term is x. And third term is minus 7 by 2. So if it is in GP, the ratio should be same. So what is the ratio? Ratio is nothing but second term divided by first term. What is the second term here? X. What is the first term? Minus 2 by 7. So keep the x as such. Bring the denominator as product. So minus 2 by 7 will become minus 7 by 2. If you multiply, we will get minus 7x by 2. Okay. Also, the ratio can be found by dividing third term by second term. What is the third term? Third term is minus 7 by 2 and the second term is x. So keep this as such. Into x by 1 will become 1 by x. So minus 7 by 2x. So 1 and 2 is same, should be same. If it is should be in GP, their ratio should be same. That means 1 equal to 2. It is minus 7x by 2 equal to minus 7 by 2x. So negatives gets cancelled. Cross multiplying 7x into this 7 by 2 also gets cancelled. So it will be 1 here. So let us see. So 7x into 2x. So 7x into 2x equal to 2 into 7. So 14 x square equal to 14. That means x square equal to 1. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. So negatives gets cancelled. Also you can cancel 7 by 2 or cross multiply and then cancel. Anyways you will get the answer as x equal to plus or minus 1. So if x is equal to 1, what is the GP? GP, if you substitute x is equal to 1, GP is minus 2 by 7, 1, comma, minus 7 by 2. If x is equal to minus 1, what is the GP? Minus 2 by 7, minus 1, comma, minus 7 by 2. So these are the two types of answers. Clear, children? So moving on to the seventh question. Find the sum to indicate a number of terms in each of the geometric progression. So in problem 7, 8, 9 and 10, we have to find the summation of the GP up to what terms. So here first one, seventh problem, up to 20 terms we have to find, that is S20. So for that we have to find A and R. What is A? A is the first term, 0.15. What is R? R is second term by first term. What is the second term? 0.015 divided by 0.15. To avoid this decimals, you can multiply by 1000. So if you multiply by 1000, all the decimals gets cancelled. So this will be 50 and this will be 150. That is 1 15s are 50, 10 15s are. So it is equal to 1 by 10 or equal to 0.1. This is less than 1. If R is less than 1, summation formula is A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. This is the summation formula if R is less than 1. So what is A here? A is 0.15. 1 minus R is 0.1 whole power n. We have to find summation up to 20 terms. That means we have to find S20. So n takes the value 20 divided by 1 minus 0.1. So 0.15, 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9 into 1 minus 0.1 whole to the power 20. So to avoid decimal, we can multiply by 100. So 0.15 into 100 is 15. 0.9 into 100 is 90 into 1 minus 0.1 whole to the power 20, which is equal to, I think 4 times 15 is 90. Is it so? 4 into 15? No. So 6 times 6 5s are. So 6 15s are 90. So you will get 1 by 6 into 1 minus 0.1 whole to the power 20. So you can stop with this result. Okay, no need to find zero point 0.1 to the power 20. You can write this as an answer. So yes, 20 is 1 by 6 into 1 minus 0.1 whole to the power 20. Okay, so eighth problem. Here you have to find the summation Sn. Okay, up to n terms. So what is A? A is the first term, root 7. R is second term divided by first term. What is the second term? Root 21 divided by root 7. Root 21 can be written as 7 into 3 is 21. So root 7. That means root of A into B can be written as root A into root B. So root 7 gets cancelled. So R is root 3. So root 3 is 1.732. So which is greater than 1. If R is greater than 1, then Sn will be A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This is the formula for Sn when R is greater than 1. So what is A? A is root 7. And what is R? It is root 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So to avoid the rational in the denominator, let us multiply by root 3 plus 1 in the numerator and denominator. So root 7 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 power n minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So root 7 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 power n minus 1 divided by, this is a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? It is a square minus b square. So root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. So we will get root 7 by 2 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 power n minus 1. So this is the solution for this problem. Clear? So moving on to the ninth one. Find the sum indicated to number of terms. So we have to find the summation up to n terms. Here a is not equal to minus 1. Now let us check. So what is the first term? First term is 1. We have to find r. R is nothing but second term divided by first term. What is the second term? It is minus a divided by 1. So it is minus a. R is equal to minus a. As it is not equal to minus 1, it is not positive. So this is less than 1. So R is less than 1. So Sn, we can use the formula a into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. What is a? It is 1. 1 minus, what is R power n? R is minus a whole to the power n divided by 1 minus R is minus a. So 1 into will not make any sense. So you can avoid that one and write 1 minus a whole to the power n divided by 1 plus a. So this is the general summation value. Okay. Sn equal to 1 minus a to the power n divided by 1 plus a. Okay. Next 10th sum. 10th problem. With this, we will finish this session. In the next video, we will discuss next set of problem. Okay. So, solution for the 10th one. What is A? It is the first term, x cube. R, second term by first term. Second term is x power 5. First term is x cube. So both have the same base. As it is in division, we can subtract. So 5 minus 3. So it is x square. So r is equal to x square. So power 2 means it is always positive. So that is greater than 0. So you can use x is not equal to plus or minus 1. So it is greater than 1. So it is not equal to 1. So it is greater than 1. Okay. It is greater than 0 as well as it is greater than 1. So what will be Sn? Sn equal to A into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is A? It is x cube. What is r? X square whole power n minus 1 divided by x. What is r? R is x square minus 1. So x cube into x power 2n. 2 into n, it is 2n minus 1 divided by x square minus 1. So this is the answer for this problem. So Sn is x cube into x power 2n minus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Clear, children? So with this, we will finish this session. In the next video, we will discuss the problems 11 to 10. That is part 2 of exercise 8.2. So if you are able to follow my videos, just show your support by subscribing to Think Max. Okay, thank you.